Hi guys, I'm Machine with MarineMax Miami, and I'm here at the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I'm here with Scout. Let's go check out their new stuff. Here we have the gorgeous 275 Dorado, brand new, amazing design. And the amazing 235. Now what's cool about this is that it has an integrated windshield that's all fiberglass and carbon. Super, super, super cool. Perfect for entertaining and a day out on the water. Of their Dorados, we also have a 255. And a 215. Bringing it into our center consoles, we have the 277, brand new model for Scout. It's incredibly beautiful, redesigned, has a gorgeous side door that just got integrated into the 27 models. And you have a full, oh no, sorry. Cut that part. So this one is super, super cool. This is the 300 LXF. You have a side door here, another one for entry down here, and a cool wet bar area. Now what I'm really excited to reveal is the brand new 330 LXF. Now we've had tons of success with this at the show, and it's one of my favorites. Let's go check it out. Here we have a full walk-through platform with teak decking, and one of the coolest features that I like is that it has an integrated flush electric system. So you just plug in here, push a button, unload, and that's it. You're taken care of. Also comes with Seakeeper. This one has the slide-out refrigerator, little kitchen area there, little sink, and the fold-out seat that comes on the 42 is now on the 33. Live bait well. And then of course, padded gunnels all throughout the boat. Really an amazing machine to be out on the water in. This is also the new 355 LXF. It's powered with triple 300 Mercury Dorado engines. Power machine. I mean, it really propels you through the water with those V8s. Gorgeous, gorgeous cayenne and Scylla color. And then here we have the 38 in the Midnight Edition. I love, love, love this boat. I mean, it's perfect for entertaining, perfect for fishing, just an overall super comfortable boat to be on. Scout does a really, really good job of, you know, paying attention to detail, and their finishing is just unparalleled. Now check out this monster. This is the 42 LXF that you've come to love. It's amazing in the cayenne upholstery. We have the reticulating rod holders with the sure shade that extends all the way out. And then swim platform is right on this side. Perfect for the kids to jump off of and get out on the water. Then it also has a pull-out ladder that you can just climb back in. And as you see, there's a lot of commotion for this next one. Everyone's super excited about it, and I am too. This is the 53 LXF. New 450 Mercury Racing outboard motors, just debuted, 5 of them. This bad boy can run. Incredible for entertaining. You see it has the pull-out seats there, grill, cabin, the works. This is a party machine. All right, my name is Joanny Machine with MarineMax Miami. Thank you so much for visiting us at the Florida International Boat Show.